welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm actually going to show you how I do the 60-degree parking or the angle parking outside without poles. I know I didn't explain a lot with garage parking or the 90-degree parking, but I will try my best to do better explanation in my angle parking. So I have a spot right here in front of me, which I'm going to show you in a bit, and I will try my best to show you how easily it is to do the angle parking. Actually, this is the most easiest parking of all the parkings. Like, you can do this, you know, with your eyes closed. Okay, but you don't have to close your eyes. So yeah, I have a spot in here. I'm actually outside, so there are no poles, because normally outside there are no poles. So I hope that you stick around till the end of this video to see how I do it and to actually pick up some tips. If you're new to my channel, my name is April. I'm a mom of twins and I'm an expat living in Dubai for 10 years with my naughty twin boys, which are 3.5 years old. And my channel is all about mommying and tips and tricks and help. So I hope that you'd stick around and do subscribe in our channel, and please make sure you do hit that bell button so then you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can see that the parking actually is on the right side. To make sure that you park properly, you can see the street is quite wide. There are no cars parking on the left side, but sometimes there are cars parked on the left side. So what you need to do is just to make sure you go as far as possible to your left lane, the farthest you can go. And then you just have to go straight. Okay, minding that once you are in line, you can see outside, that is the line. Okay, once your mirror, the right side mirror, is aligned with the line there on your parking spot, you could start, of course we have to put the signal, you could start turning your wheel. Make sure that you can check the surrounding, and that is, make sure that we don't touch the other car. Okay, so you can just actually make the adjustments as you go inside the lane. Like now, I'm just adjusting the car. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm good. See, I am inside the lane. Yeah, that's it. That's as easy as it is. Okay, now going out. So if you're going out, of course, you have to put your gear to reverse. And then you have to wait to go out. Make sure you look behind, see if there are any cars coming. There are no cars coming. Just make sure that your wheel is straight for the meantime. So this is my guide. Once you see your left side is free, okay guys, your guide here is the pavement line. Once your left mirror is aligned with the pavement line, you can turn your wheel. And I'm looking at my left mirror just to see, and also you have to check your rear view mirror to see if there are cars coming or whatnot. So just make sure you put again your wheel straight, and then you put your your gear sorry about this, your gear stick to drive, and then you can go straight. Okay, so that's it. That is so super easy, guys. So you don't really have to check anything other than the right mirror on your right side. So once you see that line where you're going to park, just turn your wheel to the right. Okay, make sure that your car nose points you know, like you have to move, of course. You have to turn the wheel to the right and then move slowly, so then you get inside the lane. And then you just have to see, you know, while you're moving, you know, slowly, just have to see if you're inside the lane already, and make sure you don't bump anything. If you're not sure about the distances, you know, if your car is new and you're not sure about the distance in front, you can just, you know, stop and then go outside your car and check if you're inside the lane, then you can just move, right? So that's really, really easy. So yeah, that was really quick. I wanted to make it very long. The next parking I'm going to show you is the most difficult one, which is the parallel parking, but I'm gonna use my friend's help in that video. So please make sure you do stay tuned for that video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.